His Holiness the Dalai Lama met with former US President Barack Obama in New Delhi on Friday at ITC Maurya in Delhi. Responding to press on his meeting with the former US President, His Holiness said, "It was very good. I think we are really two old trusted friends."
Very good. Like, I think, reunion. Two old, I think, trusted friends. So since, because of my sort of physical condition, long flight up to America, now impossible. So I felt it is, I think, the one occasion since he come. So I pay my respect, and then we generally I mentioned to him, now time come, we need promotion of sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings.
The former US President has previously described His Holiness as a good friend and commended his commitment to peace and non-violence. During his 8-year presidency, Obama has hosted His Holiness 4 times in the White House. They first met in September 2005 when Obama was a member of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee. In the series of meetings, the former US President has repeatedly emphasized US support for middle way policy of the Central Tibetan administration. Obama arrived on Thursday in India from China. In Beijing, he met with Chinese President Xi Jinping on Wednesday. Obama is currently on a world tour to China, India, and France.